Hey folks, Lori here from Balance Biomechanics, helping you move better and feel better. Hey, I am going to do a video today about unboxing the best box you could ever get in the mail, RockTape. Here we go. Got new stuff because it's awesome. I don't even remember what's in here, honestly. But, whoa! RockTape. 6 packages. What do we got? Oh, it's my floss. Yoo-hoo! New floss order, you guys. Okay, so unboxing is a little difficult for me. Ha! 2 times 6 equals 12 rolls of rock floss. You guys, it's awesome. It's so good. Just so you know, I have started to include with my back safety training classes for occupational training is everybody gets a rock floss with the training because I love it so much, and I think it's a great way that they can self-assess and kind of self-treat their own little aches and pains, their minor stuff. So now we're all set, we're ready to go. So there's going to be a lot more boxes like this heading to my house. So if you have any questions on what rock floss is, how it works, please leave a comment below. Subscribe to my channel. I've got a whole lot of other videos on how much I love it for relieving your aches and pains and catching things early before they come worse. Right? Go out there and have a great day.